Jazan region. Jazan region is the smallest region of Saudi Arabia. It stretches some 300 kilometers around the southern Red Coast, just north of Yemen. It covers an area of 11.6 square kilometers and a population of 1.36 at the 2010 census. The region includes over 100 islands in the Red Sea, the Farasan Island, which is the Saudi Arabia's first conservative protected area and the home to the endangered Arabian deer, and in winter the migratory bears from Europe. Jazan area is famous for its ethnic foods and folk dances, and it's noted for its high quality production of tropical fruits like mango, figs and papaya. So, for a big area like this, the need came to have a specialized hospital to serve the population and reduce the number of referrers outside of the region. King Fahd Hospital was born in the early 1980s with a 500-bed capacity, with a different specialized area like surgical units, orthopedics, and critical care areas.